NASA has sent probes to Pluto, rovers to Mars, and eyes into the deepest parts of space. But here's the mystery. Why did they stop exploring the ocean floor? Why did the most advanced space agency on Earth, originally tasked with ocean research, to seemingly abandon our own planet's depths? And is there something down there they don't want us to find? The idea sounds like a conspiracy theory, but it's rooted in real history. In the early 1960s, the US government launched twin programs, space exploration and deep-sea research. NASA stood for the skies, but its sister projects like Sealab and the Navy's deep-sea programs were exploring the Earth's final frontier, the ocean. In fact, NASA scientists once played a major role in underwater missions, training astronauts in neutral buoyancy tanks, testing pressure suits at extreme depths, even using submersibles to simulate life on alien worlds. So what changed? Why does it feel like we know more about Mars than we do about the bottom of our own oceans? Here's the twist. Exploring the deep sea is often harder than exploring space. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times that at sea level, enough to crush submarines like soda cans. Visibility is near zero. Communications are difficult. Technology breaks easily. And unlike space, where satellites and probes can travel in straight lines, the ocean floor is rugged and dynamic. Mountains, trenches, vents, it's a chaotic environment. But it's not just technical challenges that redirected NASA's focus. It's money and politics. After the Apollo program, budgets tightened. Public interest shifted to grand visible achievements. Flags on the moon, shuttle launches, telescopes like Hubble. Ocean research, no matter how vital, just didn't capture the imagination the same way. Still, there's another layer to this. NASA's deep-sea efforts quietly merged with military projects. The US Navy, DARPA, and intelligence agencies took over many underwater operations, mapping the sea floor, monitoring submarine activity, and conducting classified missions. One example, the USS Halibut, a submarine outfitted to tap undersea communication cables during the Cold War. Much of what we know about deep-sea exploration now comes from private companies, oceanographic institutions, and the military, not NASA. So did NASA stop exploring the ocean? Or was that job handed off to agencies that prefer silence? Even today, only about 20% of the ocean floor has been mapped in detail. We've discovered thermal vents that support entire ecosystems without sunlight. We've found jellyfish that glow like alien spacecraft and mysterious sounds like the infamous bloop that no one can fully explain. In 2016, NOAA's deep-sea vehicle spotted a strange metallic-looking sphere attached to the seafloor off the coast of California. It baffled scientists. They had no idea what it was. It vanished before it could be studied further. And let us not forget, the ocean holds the greatest volume of biomass on Earth and possibly undiscovered life forms. So the real question isn't why NASA stopped. NASA didn't abandon the ocean out of fear. It was redirected, shaped by budget priorities, national security, and public interest. But the mystery of the deep remains. It's vast, dark, largely uncharted. And as we continue to pour billions into space, the alien world beneath our own waves waits. Maybe the final frontier isn't out there. Maybe it's down here. And maybe, just maybe, there's a reason it remains unexplored. If this made you question what's really beneath the waves, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves the ocean or fears it. Because sometimes the most alien world isn't Mars or Europa. It's our own.